Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2017 Set B IEO question paper for class 3 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 3 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad Class 3 to get these question papers. And today's first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 10, choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Example, the sun is hottest in the afternoon. 1. I dash go to the supermarket this evening. Do, will, am. The answer is B, will. I will go to the supermarket this evening. 2. He dash looked to see what was outside. Curiously, politely, immense. The answer is A. Curiously. He curiously looked to see what was outside. 3. Misha and Karan dash the teachers. Obey, obeys, obeying. The answer is A. Obey. Misha and Karan obey the teachers. 4. My brother gets good grades when he dash. Study, studied, studies. The answer is C. Studies. My brother gets good grades when he studies. 5. My mother and I dash going to the cinema later. Is, am, are. The answer is C. Are. My mother and I are going to the cinema later. 6. Children's movies should be dash exciting, visually, generous, comprehensive. The answer is A. Visually. Children's movies should be visually exciting. 7. The students dash have any homework next weekend. Do, will, won't. The answer is C. Won't. The students won't have any homework next weekend. 8. What time does your family usually eat dinner? Has, does, is. The answer is B. Does. What time does your family usually eat dinner? 9. The bucket with all the coins dash on the shelf. Is, or, where. The answer is A. Is. The bucket with all the coins is on the shelf. 10. Our neighbor is dash lost in thoughts. Some, generally, justly. The answer is B. Generally. Our neighbor is generally lost in thoughts. For questions 11 and 12, choose the word which is spelled correctly. Example, corridor. 11. Read the given options carefully. The answer is A. Literature. 12. You read the given options carefully. The answer is B. Restaurant. For questions 13 and 14, choose the word which means the same as the underlined word. Example, we love playing out on the lawn. Lawn means grass. 13. That is the factory where my father works. Tower, workshop, office. The answer is B. Workshop. Factory, workshop. 14. The bus is late, so we need to find an alternative. Substitute, genuine, penalty. The answer is A. Substitute. For questions 15 and 16, choose the word which means the opposite of the underlined word. Example, the painting is beautiful. The opposite word is ugly. For beautiful. Beautiful, ugly. 15. It is a very rare gemstone. Here the underlined word is rare. Regular, unique, strange. The answer is A. Regular. Rare, regular. 16. She liked that film because it had a lot of comedy, humor, tragedy, cost. The answer is B. Tragedy. Comedy, tragedy. Next topic is reading. For question 17 to 21, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Sometimes, when the moon orbits Earth, it moves between the sun and Earth. When this happens, the moon blocks the light of the sun from reaching Earth. This causes an eclipse of the sun or solar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts a shadow onto Earth. There are three types of solar eclipses. The first is a total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is only visible from a small area on Earth. The people who see the total eclipse are in the center of the moon's shadow when it hits Earth. The sky becomes very dark as if it were night. For a total eclipse to take place, the sun, moon, and earth must be in a direct line. The second type of solar eclipse is a partial solar eclipse. This happens when the sun, the moon, and earth are not exactly lined up. The moon covers only a part of the sun's surface. The third type is an annular solar eclipse. An annular eclipse happens when the moon is farthest from Earth. Because the moon is farther away from Earth, it seems smaller. It does not block the entire view of the sun. The moon in front of the sun looks like a dark disk on top of a larger sun colored disk. This creates what looks like a ring around the moon. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts two shadows on Earth. The first shadow is called the umbra. This shadow gets smaller as it reaches Earth. It is the dark center of the moon's shadow. The second shadow is called the penumbra. The penumbra gets larger as it reaches Earth. People standing in the penumbra will see a partial eclipse. People standing in the umbra will see a total eclipse. Total solar eclipses happen once every 18 months or so. Unlike lunar eclipses, solar eclipses only last for a few minutes. Example, how many types of solar eclipses are there? 3. 17. What happens at the time of solar eclipse? The sun moves around the earth. The moon hinders the light of the sun from reaching earth. The sun blocks the light. The answer is B. The moon hinders the light of the sun from reaching earth. 18. For a total solar eclipse to happen dash. People should be in the center of moon's shadow. The sky should be very dark. The sun, moon and earth must be in a direct line. The answer is C. The sun, moon and earth must be in a direct line. The answer is given here. For a total eclipse to take place, the sun, moon and earth must be in a direct line. 19. In which solar eclipse the moon covers only a part of the sun's surface? Total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. The answer is B. Partial solar eclipse. The answer is given here. The second type of solar eclipse is a partial solar eclipse. The moon covers only a part of the sun's surface. 20th. The moon is farthest from the earth during dash solar eclipse. Umbra, penumbra, annular. The answer is C. Annular. The moon is farthest from the earth during annular solar eclipse. The answer is here. The third type is an annular solar eclipse. An annular eclipse happens when the moon is farthest from earth. 21. Solar eclipses last only dash during the night for a few minutes for 18 months. The answer is B. For a few minutes. The answer is given here. Unlike lunar eclipses, solar eclipses only last for a few minutes. For questions 22 to 25, choose the correct option. Example, I grow and take care of plants. I give them water every day. I clean leaves off the ground. Example, I grow and take care of plants. I give them water every day. I clean leaves off the ground. I am a dash gardener. 22. I transport goods from one city to another. I drive a large vehicle. I don't have room for lots of people to ride with me. I am a dash driver. Taxi, bus, lorry. The answer is C. Lorry. 23. I answer the phone calls for my manager. I help visitors when they come to the office. I take notes during meetings. I am a or an dash. Receptionist, headmaster, accountant. The answer is A. Receptionist. 24. I fix cars in my workshop. I use computers to find problems with cars. I use hand tools and machines to help me fix them. I am a dash driver, programmer, mechanic. The answer is C. Mechanic. 25. I help people exercise and play sports. I teach them how to be the best in games. I find the best players for my team. I am a dash principal, coach, fitness trainer. The answer is B. Coach. Next topic is spoken and written expression. For questions 26 to 30, choose the best option to complete each conversation. Example, Roy, what time does our school start? Kusum, it starts at 8:30. 26 Arushi, you have cleaned your room? Dash. Alicia, yes, it's all clean now. Haven't you? Didn't you? Aren't you? Here you have cleaned is the keyword for finding the answer. So the answer is A. Haven't you? You have cleaned your room, haven't you? 27. Mon. Have you finished your project yet? Prisha. No, but we will get dash it after lunch. Out, through, back. The answer is B. Through. No, but we will get through it after lunch. 28. Abba. What did you dash the test? Kashvi. I thought it was easy. Get on, make off, do, buy. The answer is B. Make off. What did you make of the test? 29. George. What do you like about the weather there? Tanvi. I like the dash summers. Amazing long Indian. Indian amazing long. Long Indian amazing. The answer is A. Amazing long Indian. I like the amazing long Indian summers. 30. Anika. How many of your friends are studying geography? Kavita. There must be dash than 20 in my class. Here than is the keyword. Almost, fewer, least. The answer is B. Fewer. There must be fewer than 20 in my class. Achiever section. For questions 31 to 33, choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. 31. He has dash courage of a hero. A and the. The answer is C. The. He has the courage of a hero. 32. The village was completely dashed by the recent earthquake. Demolished, retained, ratified. The answer is A. Demolished. Demolished means destroyed. 33. Girish was accused dash cheating in the test. Accused means a person or a group of people who are charged with or on trial for a crime. The options are in, of, at. The answer is B. Of. Girish was accused of cheating in the test. 34. Choose the word which means the opposite of the given word. Some players can be fiercely competitive. Intensely, calmly, strongly. The answer is B. Calmly. Fiercely, calmly. 35. Choose the best option to complete the conversation. Sagar, Mom, why didn't we stop at the park? Mother, you would have gone dash finished your homework. If you had, when you are, since you. The answer is A. If you had. You would have gone if you had finished your homework. So my dear students, today we have completed 2017 Set B IEO question paper for class 3 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.